Hey guys, Theo here and welcome to the Caffeine Zone where we discuss everything coffee. Okay, today we'll discuss hot beverages, okay? Yes, we are tasting the ReCoffee for the Instant Coffee series. I know this is not coffee and we're not allowed to call it coffee because it has to have more than 56% coffee inside to be classified as a coffee. So this is a hot beverage, and that's fine. People like this, so therefore I'll taste it for you. Now this is the 250 grams tin, and it can make 92 cups. This is probably the only one coffee out there that uses the most coffee. This one says each serving 2.7 grams. The reason for it is there's only 35% coffee in there. So by the time you get to 2 grams, you've almost made up the coffee. The rest is all chicory. If you are big on ReCoffee, which nothing wrong with that. Your tongue, your mouth, I'm not going to tell you what you can like and dislike. I would suggest trying to drink this with very little to no sugar. The reason for it, 2.7, 5.4. Hey, spot on, 5.4 grams. This already has a lot of sugar in it. There is dextrins, dextrose, maltose, lactose, dextrose, dextrins and dextrose, like glucose, fructose. There is so much sugar in here already. I know that 500 grams tin, probably close to about 15 to 16 spoons of sugar, keeping in mind all of the different types of sugars. So don't add sugar to this. It's not good. Anyway, Nescafe ReCoffee. Let's jump into it. Never use boiling water. Not even for this. Start the timer, and on 2 minutes we will taste the coffee. Hot beverage / 200 grams. We'll give it 2 minutes before we taste it. There's actually a crema on top. Very, very fine, very, very light. Air-dried coffee. So, if you're into this coffee, good for you. But it's not coffee. Let's fast forward to 2 minutes. There we go, 2 minutes. Let's give it a little stir. The crema has disappeared fairly fast, so we won't be experiencing any crema notes. First taste. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. Sippity sip. Very creamy, nice and creamy. I like the texture of this coffee. Hot beverage. Now to judge this, sweetness, acidity and bitterness would be kind of unfair because there's already sugar inside. But let's rate it because we're here. So, sweetness, acidity, bitterness. Sweetness, 6, maybe 7 out of 10. So that's not bad. Acidity, about a 4 out of 10. So it's not very intense on the side of my tongue. Bitterness, about a 4 to 5 out of 10. So not bad in bitterness. Again, already balanced with the sweetness. It's not a bad cup of coffee. / hot beverage. Guys, I'm not picking. I promise I'm not picking. It's just according to the health organization, they have classified this as not coffee. So I'm not going to call it a coffee if it's not. That would be breaking the rules. So it is a very, very nice and decent hot beverage. It's sweet enough that I would not add any sugar to this, and it's creamy enough that I don't really feel the need to add any milk. So if this sounds like a coffee that you would enjoy, then ReCoffee is the place to go for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. May you find your happy place in every single cup.